Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can block someone on Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to block someone on Bereal, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bereal app. So once you tap open the Bereal app itself, you need to tap on the friend section on the top left hand corner. So once you tap on it, you need to now scroll down below to the name of the person you want to block and simply tap on it and tap on the three dots option. There you can find the block dash post. So you need to now tap on confirm to block that particular person. So once you hit the block option, now your person you wish to block has now been successfully blocked and they won't show up on your Bereal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.